Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use ZipPay at Chevron. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Using ZipPay at Chevron is a convenient way to manage your fuel expenses. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Download the Zip app. If you have not already, download the Zip app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account. Sign up for a Zip account and link your preferred payment method. Step 3. Generate a virtual card. In the Zip app, generate a virtual card for in-store purchases. Step 4. Add funds. Ensure your Zip account has sufficient funds or credit available. Step 5. Pay at Chevron. When you are at Chevron, use the virtual card at the payment terminal just like you would with regular credit or debit card. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.